Okay, a couple highlights from Friday, and we're going to head off to the weekend here. H&R Block, HRB, was the first call of the morning, and what was interesting about it, you can see on the daily candles here, this massive sell-off. We were all trying to catch a bounce on that when it happened. What was interesting though is then it climbed back up, put in a high here right around 12, right? Then looked like it was rolling over a couple red candles, and then yesterday had a big sell-off intraday, but bounced right back up. I bet you had some more shorts jumping in there, thinking, okay, H&R Block is back down to retest these lows. But none of that was on my radar until I saw it this morning, having opened strong around 1191, and quickly through this 1195 high. Okay, let's go to 5-minute candles. From this morning, you can see that the opening candle there's that gap up we talked about, the open at 1191, and it was in a 19-cent range after 5 minutes. I love the early strength it was showing. It had nice volume, and we knew we had some shorts in trouble based on that daily the daily chart that I just showed you. So I called this on a break of its 5-minute high. In other words, 1211, worst case stop, low of day. Now that's a little deceiving because on our results page you'll see that we had a 21-cent risk, 1211 trigger, 1190 stop. But as you scroll over, that's your initial line in the sand. 5 minutes later, we're up to 1240. Okay, so the 21-cent risk is immediately erased, and we're to a break-even stop. So that's important to understand. So please just keep that in mind whenever you see the stop being like on the results page. Stop only 21 cents below and never got hit. The stop, you always have to have an initial line in the sand, and so whenever we take an entry, we have it, and that was right here. But literally within 2 minutes probably, my stop went to break even, and I had a no risk trade, and actually added some here based on another strategy we teach, and then started selling out. And great trade there, great trade. That just made my morning, and ended up, if you look at it, ended up bleeding back down a lot of the afternoon, but it didn't matter because we sell into strength. We take the momentum entries that should give us nice momentum and sell into strength. So XCO is a different kind of trade that we called because of this big sell-off here and then this bounce. The entry I called using a new method that we're experimenting with and I really like. The entry was 1810 right here. Worst case stop below these two candles at 1804. That's 6 cents risk, and from 1810 this made it all the way to 1863, and that 6 cent stop never got hit. There were others today, but I'm anxious to start my weekend, and really the afternoon was pretty boring, so I'll just keep the video short and sweet, and we'll put out another highlight video on Monday afternoon. Have a great weekend, everyone.